Hi, I'm Stephanie Kojec and welcome to this guided meditation. Ensure you have found a comfortable position where you will not be distracted, and begin by closing your eyes. Taking a moment to shut out the outside world and turn your inner eye gaze down to the very tip of your nose. As you inhale, watch the beautiful fresh air take a path through your nose, travel down the back of your throat, and pull at the very bottommost space in your lungs. And watch as the air is released without force, deflating the lungs and the chest, as it returns to the very same path in which it came. With each inhale, there is expansion, and with each exhale, there is a softening. The chest rises and falls gently as you move even deeper now into a relaxed state, letting go of any habitual gripping and holding of the body. Noticing how the body is balanced between strength and softness. Your mind is centered and still. When a thought arises bidding for your attention, notice this and choose to come back to the breath by noticing the rise and fall of the chest, or the coolness of the air on the inhale and the warmth on the exhale, allowing you to let go of the thought gracefully, like the body lets go of the breath. And now, begin to visualize particles of white, sparkling light appearing like raindrops all around your body. These light particles have traveled many light years from the sun to be here with you. With each breath, more and more appear, until you are surrounded by thousands of tiny particles of light. They shine brilliantly, illuminating your entire body, and you sense a great peace and stillness in their presence. These light particles have an intelligence all of their own and await your permission to work with you. If you feel you are ready, follow and repeat these words to yourself. I acknowledge, allow, and accept the presence of these divine particles of light. Take in a deep breath and watch as the particles begin to form into an orb of light above your head. Take in a breath and watch as the orb of light moves down through the crown of your head and begins to travel on a purposeful path down your body. Moving through each of the energy centers. See it now moving down through the third eye, the throat, the heart, the solar plexus, the sacral, until it settles in the base of your spine where your root chakra resides. Breathe and feel the lightness and expansion this orb has created within your physical and energetic body. Letting go of any gripping that may remain, you are fully open, guided and safe in the presence of this divine energy. The orb begins to hum and pulsate gently from the base of your spine. It is sending out a powerful signal across all time and space, calling into your reality the violet ray of light. This royal purple light carries the divine frequency of love and compassion and transformation, clearing any and all negative and dark energies and entities from all aspects of your being. Breathe deeply to open your body, mind and spirit to this pure stream of light. And see now above your head the violet ray begin to pour down from above in through your crown chakra at the top of your head, bathing your entire head in its vibrant light. As you breathe, the violet ray harmonizes your brain hemispheres and transmutes all negative and low vibrational thought and activates only those thoughts in alignment with the frequency of compassion and higher order thinking. Breathe and allow. Now see the violet light moving down into your blue throat chakra, bathing it in violet light, cleansing all residue of complaints and gossip and negative self-talk. Breathe in deeply as the violet light now activates your ability to speak with clarity and articulate your truth and vision. Breathe and allow. And now watch the violet light pour down your neck and reach the center of your chest where your emerald green heart chakra resides. Breathe in deeply and feel the lightness and expansion within your heart as it responds with joy to the violet light. You feel relaxed, warm, and safe to fully receive the energy of the violet ray. Breathe as it exchanges the frequency of compassion and love with you, clearing away any and all blockages and ties that may be draining your heart chakra. Breathe and allow. And now the violet ray is pouring down into your yellow solar plexus chakra that resides just below your ribcage. The violet light now transmutes any vibrations and residue of fear, anger, and sadness, transforming it into inspired and skillful action that serves your soul purpose. Breathe in deeply, all the way down to the belly, connecting deeply with this sacred chakra, and sense its now perfect flow and structure. It makes you smile. With your next exhale, watch the violet light pour down further, reaching your earthy orange sacral chakra that resides in the pelvic region. The violet light pulsates and powerfully clears any blockages and low energies that may be active now, bathing this orange geometric structure in violet light. Breathe and allow as the violet ray now activates the high vibrations of openness, trust in the flow of life, and activates the spark of creativity that is your birthright. Breathe and allow. And finally, the violet ray pours down into your root chakra at the base of your spine. Its deep red hue is surrounded in violet light. Breathe as this chakra is balanced and aligned back into its natural flow and structure. Breathe as your mind and body and spirit are fused together and nourished by your now perfectly functioning root chakra. You are grounded. You are open. And you are fully here now. And now, see and feel within your body the violet ray all the way from the crown of your head to the base of your spine as a column of light that is pulsating and shining brilliantly. All you need to do is breathe, as each energy center and its physical counterparts bathes in the light. Your body and the violet ray is an intelligent system and consciousness that can do the work as you simply surrender and breathe. You are being deeply cleansed, harmonized, and rejuvenated. Watch now as the violet ray begins to return back to its source, as it makes its way from your root chakra and begins to retract all the way out to the top of your head. You take a moment to send thanks and see with your inner eye your rainbow-colored chakra system glistening, renewed, and functioning to its most optimum level. And you know and feel that all is well. It is now time to return to your waking well. Slowly begin to wriggle your toes and fingers. And stretch your body out Now bring your knees up to your chest to release the lower back if you've been laying down. Taking one final breath, and as you exhale, open your eyes. Thank you so much for allowing me to be your guide. Please return to this meditation anytime to cleanse and balance your energy centers and experience all of the benefits in your daily life that this alignment brings. And I'll see you in the next one.